Loot Crate arrives. The theme is adventure. It includes Zelda, Adventure Time, and something else I forgot. Let's find out. A member card, I'm covering the number on it. There's an exclusive t-shirt as well. But let's get that out of the way. It's Link made out of a bunch of alright, courageous, soul, epic. It's nice to add to the collection. That's an exclusive, I know that. I read that. Gunther. Something Gunther. What is it? Oh, there's a figure inside. 12 of them. I don't know. Let's see which one we got. As you can see, I'm wearing my Adventure Time Quail Man shirt from Ripped Apparel. It's a tin can. And another bag. Let's see. And some more non-biodegradable stuff. Marceline. My wife will be happy about that. That's her favorite character. Marceline. Oh, I thought it was a stain. It's actually the blood marks, the teeth marks. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Nope. Minecraft. That was the other theme. Minecraft. Alright. Let's see what we got. Skeleton. Looks like it's a keychain, but I would never put this on my keys. Feels like it would break. It's like a Lego man. Of course, it's the exclusive Loot Crate pin for May. Adventure. Another keychain. This one is dangerous to go alone. Take this, and it's a bottle cap opener. It's got the old 16-bit. This thing's terrible at focusing. Zelda on it. It's the only thing Zelda on. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Captain Sparkle stickers. Here's this. Friend Zone soundtrack. What the fuck is Friend Zone? Apparently I got the soundtrack to it. And watch Fridays at 3 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Did they not give me the Lootcrate magazine? And some more stickers, decals, whatever you want to call them. I get a Lootcrate magazine. This is number 9 or 10, I forget. 10. Still. inside of a magazine. Usually gives you all the details on the items. Then they do some like random interviews and shit. Oh wait. Nope. I got gypped. But I'm a member. Well, that's it for this month's Loot Crate. It is May. It's not that bad. Later, guys. Yeah, I looked into it, and the book has been digitized to save money so they can add more stuff in the box. So, I guess you get more bang for your buck. And this CD is from a web series called Friend Zone. That's it. Stay classy.